Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Today we will be talking about Ponytail Palm Tree. Ponytail Palm Tree has a botanical name, Bucharnia recurvata. Ponytail palm tree is neither a palm nor a tree. In fact, it is a member of the agave family and is actually a succulent. Therefore, it's easy to take care of this plant and is very forgiving when in terms of watering. Ponytail palm tree needs bright light, but because it is such a forgiving plant, it will be okay if you give it bright light about half the time. Again, this plant is drought tolerant and requires very little care. Therefore, it is ideal for people with very little time and who travel regularly. If this plant is an indoor, you can water this plant every couple of weeks and left alone to soak up the sunlight. You can fertilize this plant once a year during spring season. This diva plant is a native to the southeastern desert of Mexico. According to American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, this Bucharnia recurvata is a non-toxic to dogs and cats. When you do water, saturate the soil until water comes out of the bottom of the pot and let it drain. Never let it sit in the water. Growing ponytail palm as a houseplant is a great way to add a stunning look and visually interesting plant to almost any room. I hope you will consider to grab one day soon. Enjoy and happy planting! So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you there!